Good morning, students. I hope you are all fine. Uh, so far, we have discussed about introduction to transistor and working of NPN PNP transistor. Okay, now the topic is different operating regions of transistor. Right, you all know that. Okay, transistor has three terminals: emitter, base, collector. There are two types of transistors: NPN, PNP transistor. Right, so already you know that, right? There are two PN junctions. One junction is between emitter and base, so that is emitter base junction. Another junction is between collector and base, that junction is called as collector base junction. Right, so the transistor has two PN junctions. Right, so based on the biasing of these two PN junctions, the transistor can be operated in four different operating regions. Right, so what are the different operating regions? Right, so we have two junctions: emitter base junction, collector base junction. Right, if two junctions are reverse biased, that is emitter base junction reverse biased and collector base junction also reverse biased, then the transistor is operating in cutoff region. Right, so if emitter base junction is in forward bias condition and the collector base junction is in reverse bias condition, then the transistor is operating in active region. Right, in similar way, if emitter base junction, collector base junction, if both are forward biased, then it is operating in saturation region. Right, so last region is inverted region. That means the transistor emitter base junction is in reverse bias condition, collector base junction is in forward bias condition. Right, so in this way the transistor can be operated in four different operating regions. So the first one is cutoff region. Right, so for suppose take NPN transistor. Right, take NPN transistor. So emitter N type, base P type, collector N type. Right, so for cutoff region, emitter base junction and collector base junction both are in reverse bias condition. Right, so in such a way that we have to connect two batteries. Okay, first VEE battery. Right, so the positive terminal is connected to N type and negative terminal is connected to P type. Okay, this is like one PN junction diode. So P negative, N positive, so that this PN junction is in reverse bias condition. In similar way, right, so N is connected to positive, P negative, so that this collector base junction is also in reverse bias condition. Right, so you all know that the reverse bias, the working of PN junction diode in reverse bias condition. Right, so in reverse bias condition there is no movement of charge carriers, so that current 0. Right, so in similar way here both emitter base junction, collector base junction both are in reverse bias condition, so there is no movement of charge carriers from emitter to collector. Okay, so that there is no current, so that we can say in cutoff region current 0. Right, so in this region we can say the transistor acts like a open switch. Right, so in open condition current 0, we know that, right? So that the transistor acts like a open switch in cutoff region. Right, so next operating region is active region. Right, so in active region emitter base junction forward bias, collector base junction reverse biased. Right, so emitter base junction forward bias, so here emitter N type, so N is connected to negative, P positive, so that emitter base junction is in forward bias condition, and collector N is connected to positive, P is connected to negative terminal of the battery, so that collector base junction is in reverse bias condition, so that this transistor is operated in active region. Right, so practically or generally mostly the transistor is operating in active region. Right, so already I told you that the main application of transistor is amplifier, right? The main application of transistor is amplifier, right? So for amplification, the transistor should be operated in active region. So this is very important region. For amplifiers, this is very important region. So for amplification, the transistor should be operated in active region, right? Next, third region, saturation region. In saturation region, emitter base junction, collector base junction both are in forward bias condition, right? Right. So here emitter base junction, so emitter N type, so N is connected to negative terminal of the battery, P is connected to positive terminal of the battery, so that emitter base junction is in forward bias condition. In similar way, here collector base junction, so N is connected to negative terminal of the battery, P is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, so that collector base junction is in forward bias condition. So that here emitter base, collector base, both junctions are in forward bias condition. Okay, so there is a movement of more number of majority charge carriers because both junctions are in forward bias condition. So in this region, the current is uncontrollable. Okay, so that in saturation region, we can say that the transistor acts like a closed switch, right? Next, the last region is inverted region. So inverted region means emitter base junction reverse biased and collector base junction forward bias, right? So emitter base junction, N is connected to positive, P is connected to negative, so that emitter base junction is in reverse bias condition. In similar way, collector, N is connected to negative, P positive, so that collector base junction is in forward bias condition. Okay. Generally, the transistor never operated in this region, means there is no use of operating transistor in this region. Okay, so that it is not important. So the important regions are cutoff region, active region and saturation region, right? So with respect to these operating regions, the two important applications of transistor is amplifier and switch, right? For amplifier, the transistor should be operated in active region. Okay, and second application is switch, and the transistor can be used as a switch, right? So already we discussed that in cutoff region, the transistor acts like a open switch. In saturation region, the transistor acts like a closed switch. Okay, so with negligible active region, if we can operate transistor in cutoff to saturation, saturation to cutoff with negligible active region, the transistor can be used as switch. Okay, thank you.